Meaning of factitious.
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 Factitious. The term factitious refers to something that is artificially created or not genuine. It can be used to describe something that is deliberately fabricated or contrived, as well as something that is not naturally occurring but rather the result of human intervention. Factitious substances, for example, are those that are man-made rather than found in nature. Factitious disorders are conditions in which individuals fake symptoms in order to receive medical attention. Overall, the term factitious is often associated with something that is fake or artificial, rather than authentic or natural.